Hi everybody. I just want to do a quick review of the cruise essentials that I purchased on Amazon for the cruise that we were just on. I thought it was going to be like cheap crap. Turned out to be really nice stuff, and it was really inexpensive, and it turned out things that became very helpful for us on the cruise, especially since we had 4 people in our cabin. So let me show you some of the stuff really quick. So it came with these 4 magnetic hooks. So I was using, actually there's more than 4, I'm sorry. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 magnetic hooks. I was using them to hang my, cruise CPAS thing. And it also came with these CPAS holders. There's 4 of them, along with these lanyards that have the retractable thing here. That was fantastic. And they held up the whole entire cruise. So the other thing is it came with these 4 backpacks. Now they looked really cheap to me, but these things, we used them the entire cruise. Anytime we went on excursions or left the boat, they held a lot and they were strong. I was really surprised by that. I had bottles of water in there. I had my gimbal for my phone. I had my GoPro in there. I had all kinds of stuff, and it held up the entire cruise. It never broke or anything. We had got 4 of those. So the other thing is it came with these 4 waterproof phone cases. Again, I thought they were going to be cheap or chintzy. These kept my phone dry. They have like a seal in here where it's almost like a Ziploc seal with the clamp at the top. My phone never got wet the entire time. 2 of the other people I was with bought these other phone cases that were supposed to be waterproof from another supplier source. Water got into them. Both of their phones got wet. I used one of theirs one time because I accidentally forgot to bring this, and I was really mad I did. Water got into that one. They were not any good. These were excellent. So we also got these towel holders, which we actually didn't use, but they would come in handy if you wanted to go to the beach, these elastic towel holders. We didn't really have any problem with the wind and stuff, so we never used them, but they're very convenient. So another thing I ordered, this didn't come with the cruise essentials, this was a separate one, is this pocket holder here for shoes. Right now there's not many shoes there, but we had 4 people in the cabin, and this thing filled up with sandals and shoes, which is really good, especially when you have 4 people in the cabin, so you don't have shoes everywhere all over the floor. And this was rather inexpensive also, and it worked out really well.